Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be doing another Threadbeast basic box that I've got this month. This one actually feels pretty heavy for a basic box. I know I've been saying that a lot lately, but this one actually might have some bonus items because a month or two ago I had some problems and they said they were going to send me some bonus items. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see exactly what we've got. Super excited. It's been a while since I covered another Threadbeast video, so super excited for this one and can't wait. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, not much of a sneak peek there. They got the cover on it, got the sticker here. So let's go ahead and open it up, get you a little sneak peek at the first item, and then I'm going to grab the box, lay it to the side, and then we'll go ahead and dive into each item individually, guys, so you can see them a little bit better. All right, the first item that you've seen are these awesome pants. These ones are like a magenta color, and they are from Elwood. And as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I've gotten a few things from Elwood, and all of the Elwood clothing that I've got from Threadbeast has been exceptional quality. So every time I see Elwood on the tag, I'm super excited and can't wait to actually use that. Wear that. The material feels like a micro suede or something along those lines. Feels really comfortable, and I'm not even wearing them yet, so you can definitely tell it's going to be real nice. Now for our second item, I just noticed that I got another Threadbeast sticker. I actually had to get onto them because I told them that I had done like 20 unboxings of Threadbeast and hadn't received any stickers, so they sent me like 6 of them in a row, and there's another one. But our next item is this awesome shirt, and this one is from Classic, CLSC. I'm guessing that's an abbreviation for Classic, and this one feels amazing as well. I like the little design on it, and there's nothing on the back, so it's super simple and mainly a gray tee, but does have a simple design on the front. Looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about that shirt down in the comment section below if you would. Since we got our second item out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at our third. This one's a pretty cool shirt. Can't really actually even see it yet, but it looks like, oh, okay, the design's going completely different from what I was originally guessing because it's kind of sideways. I don't even know what this means, guys, so excuse me. It says 10 deep. 10 deep on the tag, and on the back says 10 deep. Okay, I see what it's saying now. It says 10 deep. 10 deep, and then it's like kind of melting, and that's exactly what it says on the back. 10th Division, Garment Supply, Summer 2018. Dang. New York, New York. Gives the street number and everything, so that may be an older shirt, but I'm going to bring it back into style, guys. Watch me. All right, we already got 3 items, and here is a 4th right here, and we still have another thing in the box, so stay tuned for that. This one is a white staple shirt, but I can see all the way through it already, and it has a back on the staple shirt. Staple World, a Positive Social Contagion, 1975. And I'm actually guessing that's when Staple was established, and I didn't even really know about Staple until I started covering Threadbeast. So if that is true and they've been around since 1975, that's pretty cool. All right, guys, now since we went over our 4th item, let's go ahead and reach into our box and grab our 5th and final item out of our basic box. This is an amazing basic box. I haven't seen any labeled bonus items, but I believe they might have hooked me up with a couple bonus items because this is a banging box. Wow, that is hilarious. Didn't even notice that till just now. I wonder if that slid in there during packaging, because as soon as I pulled them out of the box, there are Threadbeast stickers just hanging out of the back pocket. I only seen the one that I mentioned earlier in the video, and I kid you not, they sent me even 4 more, and they had them stuffed in the back pocket of these pants right here. So that is actually hilarious. But like I was saying, I got some amazing new pants, guys. And these ones are super slick. They're actually from Original Weatherproof Vintage. And yeah, it says Vintage Straight on them, but I'm not actually sure what the brand is. I actually have gotten these before in another Threadbeast package, so I know that they have like a stretchy, like sweatpant material as the pockets. So the pockets are actually like a fabric, super soft sweatpants type feel to them. So really cool pants, really digging them. Another cool thing about them is that they got the normal pockets like so, and then they also have the zipper pocket right next door, and that one also has the fabric pocket. Super clean. It's got another pocket right here and a little loop-de-loop. 2 back pockets. Super fresh pants, and I'm not going to complain to them about these because I got a duplicate, and these ones are actually super fresh. So I like the fact that I got 2 pairs of these now, and you can't beat that, guys. So like I said a minute ago, this has been an amazing basic box. First of all, we got the classic shirt, we got the staple shirt, we got the magenta pants, we got these khaki colored pants, and then we also got the 10 deep shirt as well, and 5 awesome Threadbeast stickers, some of them being tucked in the back pocket of the pants. So really cool, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below about this. And if you guys want a box like this, use the link and code down in the description below for $50 worth of extra items in your first Threadbeast box. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.